This is my ProLight BR40 9-watt preheat adapter, and you can replace the bulb. Now I drew this on the box because there was absolutely no labeling on this box. Absolutely no labeling. Now I got this at a restore and it was brand new. They had 4 of them there and this was the best out of the 4. So let's open it up. And there it is. Now I have to take it out of its package. Opens up. Here's the bulb. It's made by Sylvania. It's 9 watts like it should be. And this is what it came with, obviously. And here is the whole adapter. It's pretty heavy. And the shade comes off so you can put the bulb in. So we'll put the bulb in. And here's the bulb. It's an old one because you can see in the center there's a hole so you can see the starter. And we'll pop the bulb in. And then we'll put the globe on. And there it is. Now this is preheat, so we'll get some preheat action here. And we'll shut off this light. And here we go. Now that is cool. A preheat floodlight. You can see it's pretty bright too. Very bright, actually. For 9 watts, it is very bright. We can take the globe off. And there's the bulb. Pretty bright bulb. I'll put the globe back on. I'll put it on its side so you can see it. Now the cracks and stuff, that is when they, no, that's not cracks in the glass. That is when they sprayed the shiny coating in the inside. I'll stand that back up. And we'll turn it on its side now. Now that is cool. And that is my ProLight BR40 9-watt preheat adapter. And it has a magnetic ballast. Thank you.